Hi, this is Lisa Montgomery with TV Tech, and I'm here at the National Association of Broadcasters show in Vegas. We've stopped by the Matrox video booth, and I'm here with Francesco Scartozzi, and he's going to tell us, first tell us your role here at the company.
Hi, thank you for having me. My name is Francesco Scartozzi, as you said, and I'm the VP of Sales and Business Development for our Broadcast and Media Group.
So Matrox Video has been around for quite a while and has a very long history of serving the broadcast industry. Can you give us some of the background of your company?
Yeah, that would be great. Actually, I lovingly refer to us as kind of a freak of nature because we've been in the industry for 47 years. We're Canadian, we're high tech, and we're private. We shouldn't really exist, but we do. And we actually do because of the people that have a great passion to serve the real broadcast problems. And we've been doing that for quite some time.
Okay, so can you elaborate on what some of those problems are today?
Yes, absolutely. In fact, our role in the industry has always been, and my nickname for it is, we've been the plumbers. And we've been providing the technology under the hood that you'll probably find actually wandering the show here at NAB. A lot of the broadcast production equipment manufacturers use the Matrox hardware and software under the hood. And that has been our role, is really to be able to solve the hard problems like clocking, AV sync, all of the SMPTE standards, to stay on top of things that our OEMs really shouldn't worry about. Let them spend their resources on their core competencies and really on the workflow level so that they can actually answer the broadcast application layer.
Okay, great. So what are you seeing the trends in the industry, the broadcast industry today? What seems to be?
So undoubtedly, you look at the major trend in the industry, and move to the cloud cannot be denied. In fact, going to the cloud is something that everybody here at NAB is going to be agreeing with. That's the destination. But left alone and without us educating the market that Origin is here, you'll hear a lot of people say it'll probably take a decade to get there. And the reason is because things like live production in the cloud really can't be done without respecting the core principles of broadcast, which is quality, latency, and redundancy. So if you look at it that way, there needs to be a framework that exists in order to build upon so that that move to the cloud can actually be achieved.
Okay, and you're pushing that forward with a new product that you're launching here. Is
Yes,
that correct?
Absolutely. Matrox Origin is a framework, okay? And it's a framework that really starts with the first principles of broadcast. And it's a software product, 100%. And the way we're packaging it is what we're calling the Matrox Origin Dev. It's a SDK, effectively, that we will make available to our OEMs and third-party providers that basically could create individual media services or full applications that work in the cloud. Now, the key to this is that because of the fact that Matrox is a technology provider, we don't have a dog in the fight in terms of a finished application. That's never been our role.
Okay.
We want to enable. So we are really the Switzerland in this. We don't have an agenda other than really trying to push forward the market to the cloud. So that's really what Origin allows us to do, is restate our value and our core principles to this industry.
Well, it sounds like you keep evolving, and it's really interesting. I want to hear more about of the technical details about Origin. So we're going to meet up with one of your engineers.
Absolutely, yes.
So nice to meet you. I am at the Matrox video booth with Marwan, and he is going to tell us about a new technology developed by the company that they're launching here at NAB called Origin. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Lisa.
So I guess let's start off by talking about why the market needs something like Origin. Yes. So tell us what it is and why the market needs it.
Sure, Lisa. Well, the broadcast market has been using software more and more, and we as an industry have been leveraging generic computers, CPUs, GPUs, and networking to create media systems. And what Matrox Origin does is it takes this concept and extends it onto more cloud-friendly, into more distributed infrastructure, and that's really what Matrox Origin is, and it really propels us further and further down the path of using generic IT equipment to its full potential, so that we can sort of get the benefits from what other industries are investing and really benefit from the innovations that are happening worldwide in just the IT industry.
Okay, so the cloud is really pushing the need for a product like this. Does it make it easier for broadcasters to do what they need to do? And, just give me an idea of how it all works.
The way things are going is that this is a natural evolution of the technology, because broadcasters need to do more with less.
Okay.
We need to be able to create content, to produce more content at a much bigger scale, and we need to be able to try things and fail fast and make it better and continue and do that. So leveraging cloud technologies is really the only way to achieve things of that nature. And when I say cloud, it could be public cloud, but it could be also on-prem cloud, to use the resources that are available to us, use them wisely, use them efficiently, to achieve a much wider scope than what we do today.
Okay. How are you differentiating yourself in the market then with Origin? I mean, is this kind of a completely new concept, or are there other competitors, I guess?
Well, I think it's a completely new concept, because what Matrox Origin is it's media-aware framework that lives on top of generic computers. It's a development framework.
Okay.
It's not a finished product.
I see. Okay.
What it does is it allows people to create their own solutions, their own workflows.
Got it.
To achieve the desired result. And our target is to really take generic IT equipment and make it work as it was intended to do tier 1 live production at large scale. So it's sort of the translation layer between what we know as requirements that we've been building up towards in many, many years, and what the actual equipment, the high performance equipment, can do. So we're bridging that gap between those.
All right. So was Origin created specifically for the broadcast industry, or does it serve other markets as well?
It was conceived for the broadcast industry by industry veterans that really understand the requirements of what is needed to achieve large scale productions. But obviously, like many technologies, it can and will be repurposed for other markets, because the technology that the broadcast industry has produced in many iterations has found itself in medical and pro AV, and the broadcast market's always innovated and done things really smart, so why not use it everywhere else?
All right. Well, thanks so much for the information and your time.
Lisa, thank you so much.
If people want to learn more about the technology and your company, where do they go?
They can go to our website, www.matrox.com.